Thank you for coming to our website. I'm Msgr Whalen, class of '76, proud to be back here as principal now in my 7th year. And I come to you today because it's time for us to renew and to improve the athletic facilities. Over the past few years, through the goodness of Cardinal Dolan, over $8 million of repairs were made into the building, and for the first time we've got heat. Most of us remember the days of freezing in class. Well, those are over. The building doesn't leak anymore, and now it's up to us, the alumni, to be able to come back and help our younger brothers by making sure that all our facilities are where they should be. The turf field now, it's time to replace it. It's long overdue. The track needs a lot of repairs. We need to enhance the security of the field. So I ask you to take a few moments and listen to our younger brothers who'll tell you about what this place, this school, this experience that made you and me the men we are today, what it means to them now, and why this athletic facility is so much a part of their growth, their education, their becoming a true Vera Fidelis.
Hi, my name is DiTommaso. I played 4 years of Farrell football here as well as track and field. The field that we're standing on here has played a big role in my athletic development.
My name is Wren. I played football and lacrosse here at Farrell, and I spent the majority of my Farrell career here on this field.
Hi, my name is Aiden O'Brien. I'm a junior here at Msgr Farrell High School, and I'm in my 3rd year of playing lacrosse. The athletic field here at Msgr Farrell High School is the lifeblood of our school.
You've heard what our younger brothers have to say. I can't tell you how proud I am of them. They're fine young men who are here all the time. The smallest club in the school now is the old 230 club, because the young men want to be here, and we want them to be here. It's a place where they know they can come 24 hours a day, 7 days a week if they want. They're here even the day after school closes in June. They're all back because they know here is a place where they feel at home, where they're safe, where they're with the right people, and therefore going to be able to be in the right place to become good men. So I need your help. I need you to be as generous as you can to this project, and we have other projects coming, I'll be honest. But we need to provide for our younger brothers so that they're able to become the good Farrell men for life that this place made you and me become.
Your generosity in improving our athletic facility is greatly appreciated.
Thank you again. Thank you for all your goodness. Know that you and your family are in my prayers as I thank God for the gift of Farrell in my life.